So, it's another day of bird watching, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Today we're looking at hummingbirds. Now, hummingbirds, very fast. Always have to keep what's that word? Go to plant and get the nutrients. So, they're always fast. Their eggs are about the size of a penny. And that is not a hummingbird. Where is that? Huh. Maybe I'm just hearing things. I don't know. Okay, nope, that's not. What the? Hold on. Yeah, come here. Okay, I don't know what's going on, guys, but apparently I'm losing my mind. My marbles. I've been watching too many birds. Or something, man. I don't know what the heck's going on. Oh, man. Maybe it's the weather. The heat or something. But man, it's just too much. But yeah. So anyway, yeah, hummingbirds are